Lace hem tape is a narrow strip of lace that can be used to finish the hem of lightweight fabrics without weighing it down. This tutorial will demonstrate how to use it. Lace hem tape can be found in the same section as bias tape and comes pre-packaged in a variety of colors. You can try matching the color to your fabric or make it a contrasting color for a fun pop of color. Because of its design, this type of hem tape has a slight stretch to it, so it can be used on curved hems as well as straight. To use, on the raw edge of your fabric, pin and press your desired hem amount. If you're worried about the fabric's raw edges fraying, you can finish the edge with an overcast or zigzag stitch or trim with pinking shears. Unfold the hem and pin the lace hem tape over the raw edge on the right side of the fabric, overlapping by 1/4 inch. If you're wondering what to do with the hem tape when you get back around to the start, you can just overlap the hem tape ends by 1/4 inch. This trim doesn't fray, so you don't have to worry about finishing it. Take it to your machine and sew a regular length straight stitch on the edge of the lace that's overlapped with the fabric, so you're sewing on the border of the lace. Refold your hem and the lace should now be on the wrong side of the garment. You can finish in a variety of ways. You can machine stitch the top lace edge inside the border with a regular straight stitch, and you'll see the hem stitches on the right side of the garment. Or if you want the hem less obvious, you can do a hand stitch like a blind hem stitch. You can also do a hand catch stitch if you're looking to maintain some stretch in the hem. This stitch should be barely noticeable on the right side. There will be a link in the description if you need help doing these stitches. Using lace hem tape is also handy if you're trying to add length to an already made garment. By undoing the hem, I can sew lace hem tape to the edge and then make my fabric hem as small as possible to increase the garment length. Not only is lace hem tape a lightweight way to hem delicate fabrics, but it can also be a pretty detail, giving your garments an extra special touch. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe and click the bell icon to get notified of our new releases. Also check out ProfessorPincushion.com to view our complete library with well over 450 sewing tutorials. If you would like to directly support us, you can join our YouTube membership and earn some exclusive perks. Thanks for watching!